So friends, in this lecture we'll learn how to hide sheets, how to move or create a copy of the data or create the copy of the sheets. For this, let us examine our data. We see this is a large data set with almost 369 records and many number of columns. If you see order date, customer ID, region, zip code, country, salesman, unit price, quantity, revenue, shipping fees. This is quite a big data set if you see. Right, so we'll work on this data. Now see, we have created a sheet with a small amount of data we call it a secret data. Suppose I want to hide this data when working with someone. I don't want anyone to see this particular set. I can have a right click on it and press hide, and now the sheet is in a hidden mode. How to unhide the sheet is click right with your mouse on any of the sheets and you can press unhide, and now all the sheets that you have hidden appears here, and you can select the sheet and press OK. We'll do it again, and this time we'll hide out two sheets. We'll press this hide and we'll press another sheet to hide. Right, now to unhide the sheets, let us right click here and press unhide. Now see, two sheets are there. It is up to us that which sheet we want to unhide, or if you want to unhide both, we have to do it twice. So select the first sheet and press OK, and again unhide and select the sheet 2 and OK. In this way we can unhide our sheets. Now how to create a copy. Suppose I want to create a copy of this secret data. I can right click on this and I can press on move or copy. Now you see all the sheets of this particular file are here. My file is hide, move, copy. You can see on the top hide, move and copy worksheets, and after that there is data main, supplementary data, copy, secret data, data main, supplementary data, copy, secret data, sheet 2, sheet 1. All sheets are here. I want this file to be created after secret data, so I select the sheet 2. It will be created after secret data. I have to click on create a copy and OK. Now see, a copy of this sheet is created. Another method to create a copy is, suppose I want to create a copy of this data. I have written here also how to do it, so that in your practice you can do it, but here I am showing you how to do it. With your mouse, drag it up like this, press the control key, and you see a small plus sign comes up here, if you can see there, and release it, and see, you create a copy. Now you can move it to the desired position wherever you want to. Two copies are created. I want to delete this. I can simply select and delete, and select and delete. Now I want to create a copy of this data to another file. Right, supplementary data is already I am having with myself. I want to move this whole data to another file also. So let us understand that. Let us slightly minimize our set of file, and here we see we'll press Ctrl N. When we press Ctrl N, another Excel file opens up. Suppose I want to shift this supplement data sheet to this new file. First of all, drag your file and like this and in your left and drop it. Right, in this manner you can create it half of this file. Do it with the other file also. Take it, drag it to the right and leave it. It will create it in another half. Now you can see on the bottom side all files are there. Right, I want to copy the supplementary data to this new file, so I have to have a right click on this and click on move and copy, and you can have create a copy, and from this to the book, select your file or workbook. My book is now book 2. You see here on the top or right hand side, book 2 is there, and press OK. Now you see our data is also copied up here in the similar manner as it is on the left file. Hide, move, it is also created on the right hand side file. So in this manner you can create a copy of this data. Now let us come back to the original file. We will continue with this file in the next lecture.